Hey guys, my name's Karen and I'm going to show you how to make a really spooky Halloween wreath. Let's get into it. So first up, we're going to make a spooky twig wreath with this wooden wreath. Pull the brushwood from the wire and make small bunches so we can attach it to the wreath. Grab your artificial berries and snip the stems. So once you're happy with the shape, spray paint your wreath black. To make this spooky, we're going to make bats of different sizes. Next up, we're going to paint some of our ornaments white to give it a real contrast. And there you have it, a spooky wreath for your front door.